Today, we have a fascinating topic that will give you a deeper understanding of what happens to our food after we take a bite. Get ready to journey through the digestive system as we explore the amazing process of chewing, saliva production, and the journey of food from the mouth to the stomach. Let's dive right in. The digestive system is an incredible network of organs that work together to break down the food we eat and extract nutrients for our body's needs. It all starts in the mouth, where the mechanical and chemical process of digestion begins. When we bite into food, our teeth tear and grind it into smaller, manageable pieces. This process, known as chewing or mastication, utilizes different types of teeth. Incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars for crushing, and molars for grinding. Chewing breaks down the food, increasing its surface area to aid in digestion. Did you know that it's not just about breaking down the food mechanically? Chewing also plays a crucial role in releasing the flavors of our food, making it a truly sensory experience. As we chew, our salivary glands start producing saliva, a watery substance that contains enzymes. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down starches into simpler sugars, making digestion easier. Saliva helps moisten the food, making it easier to swallow and beginning the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. It also contains antibacterial properties that aid in maintaining oral health. The saliva breaks down the complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, allowing our taste buds to detect the sweetness or other flavors present in the food. My father used to say that we need to chew the food 24 times before swallowing. Once the food is properly chewed and mixed with saliva, it forms a soft mass called a bolus. When we're ready to swallow, the tongue pushes the bolus toward the back of the mouth and into the pharynx, which is the area shared by our respiratory and digestive systems. As the bolus enters the pharynx, a flap of tissue called the epiglottis closes off the entrance to the trachea, ensuring that the food goes down the esophagus and not the windpipe. This protective mechanism prevents choking and directs the food to its proper destination. The food then travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. Through a series of coordinated contractions called peristalsis, the walls of the esophagus propel the food downward. The esophagus is a vital part of our digestive system. It serves as a conduit for food, transporting it from the mouth to the stomach, facilitating further digestion and nutrient absorption. As we swallow, the muscles in our throat and esophagus contract, propelling the food downward. Watch closely as the chewed food combines with saliva, forming a compact mass known as a bolus. The bolus begins its journey through the esophagus through a series of rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. These coordinated waves of muscle contractions push the bolus forward, ensuring its smooth passage towards the stomach. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the esophagus. It's a muscular tube lined with mucus-secreting cells, ensuring a lubricated pathway for the bolus to travel. This protective lining prevents friction and damage to the esophageal walls, for at both ends of the esophagus, we have sphincters. The upper esophageal sphincter opens to allow the bolus from the mouth, while the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes, allowing the bolus to enter the stomach. These sphincters ensure one-way movement and prevent backflow. The esophagus plays a crucial role in our digestive journey, transporting food from the mouth to the stomach. Understanding its function and anatomy helps us appreciate the complexity of the digestive process. That wraps up our exploration of the remarkable journey of food through the esophagus. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the wonders of the human body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.